Hello friends, this is CS with the Dua. Welcome you all to my YouTube channel. कैसे हैं आप सब? I hope you all are doing good, and yes, of course, I'm also doing very good. Today, I'll be telling you something really important because if you are a student of a company secretary or a chartered accountancy or a cost accountancy, then this information and a video is very important for you because I have something really important for you. What I'm here to tell you is that with this recent Supreme Court judgment, every student of the professional body, professional courses like CA, CS, and CMA now will be having two routes of inspection of the certified copies. Yes, you heard it right. There will be two routes open for you for inspection of your certified copies. Number one is you can directly approach the institute and pay a fee of 500 rupees, as CA Institute and CS Institute takes around 500 rupees fees. And the other route, which is not very much popular among students, is the right to information rule. With the recent Supreme Court judgment, you will be very happy to know that yes, there was a case going on between our honorable Supreme Court in the Supreme Court between Institute of Company Secretaries of India and Mr. Paras Jain, which has concluded, and so honorable Supreme Court has definitely given the information that a student of the professional courses can inspect the answer sheet either by approaching the institute directly, giving 500 rupees, or by filing an application under Right to Information Act 2005. Right to Information Act is an act for common citizen of India, and that act provides give the right to every student to inspect the certified copies and a nominal fee, very less nominal fee. Now there was a fight between institute and a student. There was a fight between Institute of Company Secretaries and a student, in which a student demanded the certified copy under RTI Act 2005. I hope you must have studied the RTI Act 2005 because it is in the executive, and RTI Act is an act which gives the right to every citizen to inspect, to evaluate, and to get information from public authorities like chartered accountancy or company secretary institutes are public authorities, in government bodies. So this information was there, and one student demanded the copies under RTI Act, and the institute demanded 450 or 500 rupees as per the Company Secretary Act 1980. Now there was a fight that are these two routes mutually exclusive, or are these two routes are differently? Now, with the recent Supreme Court judgment, students will get the benefit because institute will continue to give you the certified copies with 400 or 500 rupees fees, but the students who are of the weaker class, those who cannot afford 500 rupees fees, can also inspect the same certified copies under RTI Act 2005. What is the difference between by approaching our respected institutes directly or by giving the application under RTI Act 2005? The difference is the fees. The fees which our institute charge from every student is around 500, whether you are in CA or CS or CMA. These professional institutes are charging a lot amount of money, from about 500 rupees per subject, and making a lot of money from students, making in lakhs and crores. Now the student will have the other option. If the student cannot afford this much amount of fees and want some inspection of their certified copies, can also do that by RTI Act 2005. It's a very simple process. You can file RTI online with the nominal fee of 10 rupees, and the fees which you will be charged for while inspection of your answer sheet will be only 2 rupees per page as per Rule 4 of RTI Regulations 2005. 2 rupees per page you will be charged. An institute has to give you the certified copies, because now institute will be bound, because institute has definitely lost the case, and honorable Supreme Court has give the judgment recently in this month that if a student seeks the information under RTI Act, then the institute cannot charge any excess amount, and only that much fee will be charged as prescribed under RTI rules. So this is a big news, and I would like that every student should come to know, because institutes, whether it is CA institute or CS institute, will not give you this information, will not tell every student, because it will create a huge impact in their revenues, because institute earns from you lakhs and crores by in giving, because you give 500 rupees and institute is making a lot of money, and no institute will highlight this issue, because I am here to benefit you. So it is very important information, and this information is being, and the judgment which is recently given by Honorable Supreme Court, I'll be sharing that in the description. You can read yourself. It's a judgment between Paras Jain and Institute of Company Secretaries of India. Right, if this information was useful for you, please request you to please share with all the students, so that every student should come to know about their rights, because now it's all up to you that what and how you can get your certified copies. Thank you very much for watching. If you're new to my channel, do subscribe and like and share. Thank you for watching. Stay connected, stay blessed. Jai Hind.